By now, you may have noticed that growing a YouTube channel is not an easy task. You don't just post random videos and expect to start getting views and subscribers on your channel. If you can relate to this, you will know that your first videos will only get 10 to 20 views if they perform well. And from experience, if you want to grow your channel on YouTube, you need to promote your videos. This could be your first time to hear about the possibility that you can promote your videos using Sprizzy.com. But the main question is this: will you be using Sprizzy to promote your YouTube channel? I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about them, and I will tell you in this video if it's in your interest to use Sprizzy to promote your YouTube channel. So if you want an in-depth review of Sprizzy, it's coming up. Before we go there, make sure to go down and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also, before you open a new tab and go to Sprizzy.com, I want to let you know that I have a link in the description of this video that will take you to that same website. And if you use the link that I'm talking about, you are going to get 150 views on your videos for free. So it's for you to choose using the link in the description of my video to get 150 views, or put in your browser Sprizzy.com and you don't get those free views. It's your choice. But now let me log into my account and show you who they are. Okay, so here I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this website because my main focus will not be the data that I got from this website Sprizzy.com, but I will show you anyway inside my account. Here I have two videos that I submitted for review. One of them is already accepted and is getting traffic, and the other one is still pending. So I will click on the first one that's already getting traffic so you can see what's going on here. So when I click on the report, you will see that the campaign started on June 21st, but I got my first clicks on June 24th and on the 2 or 3 days that follows June 24th. And below the chart, you will see the amount of views that I got from the campaign. I got 2,380 views, but right now on the channel, you will see 2,499 because of the organic views that I got on YouTube. The campaign started with 351 subscribers, and at this time we are at 355, which means that we got 4 more subscribers. And those subscribers, I will not attribute them to this campaign because my channel on itself gets 4 subscribers on average in a single day at the time of this video. Now I will leave this page to go to youtube.com to show you what YouTube said about the traffic that I got from this campaign. Here we are on youtube.com. The video I'm promoting is showing people how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account, and you can see at the bottom here that this video ranks number 3 for almost all the keywords that I have here, which means that it's getting organic traffic every single day. So the traffic that I will get based on these keywords will be coming from YouTube search. Now, when I click on analytics to see the data here, you can see that this video didn't bring any subscribers to the channel, but I want you to pay very close attention to this on the page. The maximum traffic that I got on this was 140, and that was on June 24th. Then Sprizzy traffic kicks in, and you can see the spike here, and I start getting more and more views. You can also see the date here, and the retention on this video is what I'm looking at, which is 4 minutes and 9 seconds. So on average, people are watching 32.8% of the video. And when I point at the end of this chart, you will see that 10% of those who watch the video watch it till the end, and the video is 12 minutes and 28 seconds. content, and I'm getting 10% to watch it till the end, which is not bad. And as for where the traffic is coming from, YouTube says I'm getting 98.1% of my traffic from YouTube advertising. And I know the majority of my traffic on this video comes from Sprizzy, which means that the traffic that I'm getting from Sprizzy is coming from YouTube advertising. First, this shows me that I'm not getting fake views and that Sprizzy is using YouTube advertising to promote my videos. When I click on reach, again, you will see that 93% of the traffic is coming from YouTube advertising, and I have 4% of the traffic that's coming from YouTube search. I have a few views coming from suggested videos, and when I go down to see the traffic that's coming from the external source, I notice that more and more people watch this video from Facebook, Google, ClickFunnels, and Sprizzy.com, which again shows me that the traffic that I'm getting is not fake traffic. Mostly having 10% of my viewers to watch my video till the end, this is not a fake traffic. And when YouTube tells you that your traffic is coming from YouTube advertising, you better believe it. And because I'm getting all those people coming to my channel, there has been a spike in views on my channel, and my views went up 419%. And what's good about this is that the views are not coming from YouTube advertising, but people are watching the videos from my channel page. And when I click on tell me more, you can see the spike here, which is over 4,000 views. And the video that I'm talking about is here, the top 2 skills to learn during lockdown and beyond. This is the video that people are watching because I gave to YouTube a reason to promote my videos. And when I go up here, I will go through this so you can understand what's going on. Over the last week, more people have been watching one of your videos from your channel page. This increase in views suggests your channel as a whole is drawing the interest of more viewers. It might be a good time to check your channel page to see if it's up to date. If you need to make any small changes like update your playlist, go ahead and make them while you have the attention of more viewers. And this message here hasn't been sent by a human being. It has been sent by the system, and now I know that the system knows people love my videos. This is so important, and I needed to show you all the data so you can make an informed decision if you want to promote your videos using Sprizzy. So with all the data that I have in my account here on YouTube, I can tell with confidence that Sprizzy is using YouTube advertising to promote my videos. That's what they do. And if you don't have time to learn how to run Google Ads, I will advise you to just go in the description of this video and you will find the link over there, the link that will give you 150 views on your video for free. And that's my main message for this video. If you want to promote your YouTube channel, Sprizzy is the right way to go. I've used them as I showed you in the video, and my plan is to use them over and over again. This is what it is about today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, because in my next video I will be talking about money and you wouldn't want to miss that. I really appreciate your time. This is VK. I will see you in the next video.